highly recommend, 10 out of 10. These are so good. I have this mock pineapple that I canned some of it and I freeze dried some of it, but I still have some extra left over. I have a couple containers like this, and I don't really have time right now to do anything with it. Mock pineapple is actually zucchini that has been kind of like stewed or simmered in pineapple juice. It's super good. It tastes like pineapple. I don't want it to waste, so I thought I'll make some fruit leather with it. That's super fast and easy, and it can just cook at the lowest setting in the oven, and we'll see how it goes. So I put some parchment paper in a jelly roll pan, and then I'm gonna pour, oh, I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna pour this into the blender. Nice and liquidy. And I just pour it onto the tray. I'm gonna want it to bake at the lowest setting. Ours is 170. I don't know if all ovens are that, but that's ours. That's our lowest setting. Put it in the oven. Still have this container, but I'm out of trays. So I'm just gonna blend it and then put it back in the fridge. And then once this batch in the oven is done, I'll just pop it in the oven and then I'll get 2 batches. Okay, I'm just gonna store it in a quart jar in the fridge. So it won't quite hold it all. We have a little half pint. Let's see if that's big enough. I think it's plenty big, yeah. I'll check back in when this is done. Okay, it's 5:30 in the morning, but this is not done. You see the edges are starting to get brownish, but if I put my finger in it, it's not done. It actually comes back up on my finger. I just tasted it though. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, it's after work and it is finally done. The edges are looking okay. They're not burnt, which is something I was a little concerned about. I just use regular scissors to cut the leather into strips, and then I cut them into smaller strips for my grandkids because they're only 3 and 4. It's all cut up, but the back of it is still a little bit sticky. While round 2 goes into the oven, I'm gonna put the cut strips onto cookie racks to dry out the back sides. They've been in here several hours, but they're looking really good. The back is all dried out. It's not sticky anymore. Compared to these that I haven't done yet, the back of it is really sticky still. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in next. You wanna know how to make the mock pineapple so that you can make fruit leather, freeze dry it, can it? Watch the video on the screen next.